Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Smartsheet, a powerful collaboration and workflow platform. I've been using Smartsheet for a while now, and I've found it to be an incredibly useful tool for managing projects and tasks. In this video, I'm going to answer the question, is Smartsheet free forever? I'll also be discussing some of the different pricing plans that Smartsheet offers. So, is Smartsheet free forever? The answer is no. Smartsheet is not free forever. However, there is a free trial that you can use to test out the platform and see if it's right for you. Smartsheet offers 3 different pricing plans. Professional, $14 per user per month. Enterprise, $25 per user per month. Enterprise Plus, $35 per user per month. Each of these plans includes a different set of features. For example, the professional plan includes unlimited users, while the enterprise plan includes advanced reporting and analytics. In addition to the monthly subscription fee, Smartsheet also charges for storage. Each user is allocated 10 gigabytes of storage space. If you need more storage, you can purchase additional storage for $5 per gigabyte per month. So, is Smartsheet worth the cost? It really depends on your needs. If you're a small business or individual who needs a simple way to manage projects and tasks, then the professional plan may be a good option for you. However, if you're a large enterprise with complex needs, then the Enterprise or Enterprise Plus plans may be a better fit. In conclusion, Smartsheet is a powerful collaboration and workflow platform that is not free forever. However, there is a free trial that you can use to test out the platform and see if it's right for you. Smartsheet offers 3 different pricing plans: Professional, Enterprise, and Enterprise Plus. Each of these plans includes a different set of features. In addition to the monthly subscription fee, Smartsheet also charges for storage. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I also encourage you to check out my other videos on productivity and time management. I'll see you next time.